Hey, you, guess what? I have merch. Go to CarnivorousChef.com to check it out. The Meaty Friend t-shirt and trucker cap are available right now. If you purchase one, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to repost it. Hey there, my meaty friends. This is Reed, aka Carnivore Chef, aka Oops All Corned Beef. Well, when I made this recipe, I very quickly realized that it resembled my corned beef au gratin video that I did last year. However, that one was a one-off, and this year I wanted to put up something for St. Patrick's Day. This is one of two corned beef recipes I came up with, and the other being shielded from this dairy-filled recipe. We have a little bit more work than normal to do, so let's get to it. To start off, we're going to need a brined corned beef brisket. Maybe one day I'll show you how to do this yourself, but for now, hit the grocery section like I did. This is a 3-pound point-cut brisket in brine. Drain the excess brine and remove it from the package, ensuring to save the packet of spices. Place this into an oven-safe pot, or hotel pan in my case, and dump in the contents of your packet. This contains things like coriander, juniper berry, black pepper, and bay leaf. Once that's added, pour in just enough hot water to cover the brisket. If you're doing this in a pot, bring the water to a boil and simmer and cover with a lid or foil. Alternatively, you can place your brisket into a deep baking dish and pour over boiling water, cover, and place this into your oven. No matter which you pick, put it into an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour per pound of brisket. It should receive a knife rather easily. The outside is gray, but the inside should still be a nice bright pink. Thanks, Prog Powder number 1. If you can't tell, I was a bit impatient and pulled mine far too early. But that's okay because I knew I'd be finally chopping this up for a dip. I debated running it through the grinder, but I had no desire to clean a grinder as well. Once done, set it aside. Place a pan over medium heat with 1 ounce of whiskey of your choice. Our aim is to burn off the alcohol while not burning down our kitchen. Seriously, be careful when doing this. Let it reduce for about 1 minute or until the smell of the whiskey doesn't take your breath away. After that, add in a half cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of your brining liquid, and an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. You can turn the heat up to medium-high if you want to make this a bit faster. Sloppily whisk this until the cream cheese has fully incorporated. Then you could turn the heat off and add in all of your corned beef. And follow it up with about 1 cup of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. This is about the time to finally give it a taste and season it with salt and pepper. Mine needed about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Top this with a touch more cheese, cause America. And place it back into your oven for about 10 minutes to get everything all bubbly. I'm going to immediately take this first bite, which is for my Patreon community. Please go check it out if you want to support the channel. The link is below. The problem with immediately taking the first bite is how hot it was. But that didn't keep me from tasting how well the whiskey came through. It balanced well with the salty and the fattiness of the beef and cheese. I highly recommend making this if you're looking for a great party dip. Just try to refrain from adding green food coloring to it. You can balance well with the saltiness and fattiness too if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hey, you, guess what? I have merch. Go to CarnivorousChef.com to check it out. The Meaty Friend t-shirt and trucker cap are available right now. If you purchase one, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to repost it.